Awesome. All right, get your listening ears on, boys and girls. We love alliteration. We love tongue twisters, and Miss Pat is already ready. Look at that. Hi, Miss Pat.
Hi, Miss Cosby. Hi, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you guys are having a lovely day. I know you guys had an exciting math class. So we're going to start off with alliteration today. Okay. And so how about we do a quick check-in? Yeah? How are we feeling today? Would anyone like to share?
And I'll go ahead and put everyone's hand down since you're just starting the lesson, Miss Pat. That way we know when they really, there we go. All right. Dream's got her hand up already. And I've also opened the chat, so some of them are writing in the chat.
Oh, Miss Crosby, are we recording?
Yes, we are.
Okay, awesome. Okay, great. I see a lot of hands up in the chat and a lot of you guys. Okay, 9. I love it. Oh no. 1. Okay, feeling good. 1, 4, 3. Luke. All right, love it. 9. Oh, are you angry? Maggie? Oh no. Dream. Oh no. Okay, let's hope we get you excited and happy as the lesson goes on, yeah? All right, guys, so I'm going to quickly close off your chat, I believe.
Yeah, I got it. Sorry.
All right, so let's move on to our class rules. And it's good that we review this. So we arrive on time, which you guys did a great job of coming in early and arriving on time. Raise your hands if you have a question, and you've already done that at the start of our class. And be respectful to our classmates and our friends by muting and listening when others are speaking. Our cameras should be on, and we should limit our distractions. Maybe go to a place that's quiet, that you can really focus on the lesson. Remember, always try, and I saw you guys did a great job in your Nearpod. You're all paying attention and participating, so that's awesome. And always have fun. Let's have fun with this lesson. So it's on alliteration. Okay, so we're going to start off our class with a little video, okay? So let's see if I can get this.
Chips and cheese and Nana's knees. What is alliteration? By Brian P. Cleary, illustrated by Martin Gannot, and read by Karen Carter. When words are close together and they start with the same sound, it's called alliteration, as in Francis froze and frowned. You can find alliteration in poems and prose and prayer, and once you learn about it, then you'll see it everywhere. Like, lovely lemon lollipops are likely to be licked, or petals on the pink petunias peacefully are picked. Those sounds are formed by letters, some identical, some not, like Sandy sewed a suit for Sam, and cool, it's Kevin's cot. See how Kevin's starts with K, but C is what starts cool? So it's the sounds, not letters then, that really form this rule. The same sound is repeated once or twice or even more, as in Fiona found her phone on Phoebe's kitchen floor. At times, alliteration makes a sentence sound quite silly, as in, the hike with Hank and Mike was humid, hot, and hilly. Or here, a knight arrives one night and knocks upon our door. He needs a knife so Nan, his wife, can cut their cake in 4. Or even Peter Piper picked up pepperoni pie, When he popped in the pizza place he often passes by. Sometimes letters join to form a single starting sound, as in the bride with braids of brown, strung streamers all around. Or Brian's brothers Brad and Brent have brought banana bread, while Charlie chipped in cheesy chips and chicken wings instead. Alliterations seen in signs and streets that might surround you. It's also in the songs you hear and other stuff around you. It's on the news, your shirt, your shoes, in talk and texts and tweeting. It packs some punch in poetry and always bears repeating. So what is alliteration? Do you know?
Okay, guys. Quick question. Can anyone tell me what you learned in that little story about alliteration? Dream, I see your hands up.
I forgot. I didn't need to raise my hand.
One more time, my love.
I didn't mean to raise my hand.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Anybody would like to share what you learned about alliteration? I see Santiago. Oh. Samara. Okay. Dream, go ahead. Doran, would you like to share?
Yes, alliteration is like, it's like some use for words. You could have used different words or something like that. Like
yeah, very good. Good start. Yeah.
Like that.
Very good. Good start. Yeah, it's using words in a sentence that all have the same beginning sound. So our story told us a little bit about those. So today for our lesson, we're going to figure out what an alliteration is. We'll understand what it is. We'll recognize it in text. And you guys hopefully will be able to help me write your own examples. Okay, here we go. Alliteration is the repetition of the same sound or letter at the beginning of each or most of the words in the sentence. So alliterations are really awesome because they can be cool tongue twisters, but they can also be used in poetry to create a different effect, to make the story exciting, and to create more drama. And it's often used in song lyrics and within friends. So in this example, who's been to Disneyland? Who likes Disney characters? Yeah? Awesome, Miss Stockings. Love it. Okay, Dream. I see a lot. Adonai, Samara, great. Yeah. So these are Disney characters that do have alliteration. We have Mickey Mouse. Can anyone tell me what sound they hear when they hear the name Mickey Mouse?
Mickey and Mouse.
Yeah. What's the beginning sound you hear? Do you hear an A? Do you hear the B sound? Do you hear the C sound?
M.
Very good. Very good. Okay, and next, the next one, Minnie Mouse. What do you guys hear?
Minnie Mouse.
Exactly. We have the M sound for Minnie and Mouse. Now we have the third one, Donald Duck. What do you guys hear?
D.
Great job. You guys, you got it. Okay, So here's an example of two tongue twisters. Do you think I can do it? They look a little bit difficult. So the first one says, she sells seashells down by the seashore. What sound do you guys hear at the beginning?
P.
S.
P.
S. S.
S, very good. Yes. She sells seashells down by the seashore. We hear and see the S sounds, right? Okay, let's try the next one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. What sound do you guys hear?
P.
P. Very good. Yes, here it is. Peter Piper picked pickled and peppers. Very good. Love it. Okay, so in these both tongue twisters, both phrases, we see starts with an S and starts with a P at the start of each word. Okay, your job, I'm going to ask one friend to try to read the sentence, and your job is to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on whether you think it's an alliteration or you think it's just simply a sentence. So how about I do the first example, and maybe you guys can help me out with the next one? Okay, the big black bear bit a big black bug. Now, do you guys think it's an alliteration, thumbs up, or do you think it's not, thumbs down? Let's see what you guys got. Oh, okay. Okay, I see a lot of you are getting it. Okay, great. All right, awesome. Thank you guys. Great job. So why do you think this one is an example of an alliteration? Anyone? Is it because it starts with the same sound? Is it because it makes a funny sentence? What do you guys think?
I just think it's a regular sentence.
You think it's a regular sentence? Okay. So when we read the sentence, Dream, the big black bear bit a big black bug. What letter do you see repeated?
B.
B. It's an alliteration because we see the B sound continuing throughout the sentence, from the start of the sentence to the end. Almost every word in the sentence starts with the same sound. So because it starts with the same sound, beginning sound, it's an alliteration. So let's try the next one. Who would like to read this sentence? Anyone? Oh, I see Dream. Dream, Brielle, you can get the next one. Okay. Dream, why don't you give it a go? Let's see.
Okay, it says the quick brown fox jumps over the dog.
Okay. Great job. Love it. Great pronunciation. Now, guys, do you think this is an alliteration or not? So give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Great job, Santiago. Dream, yes. Samara, yes, yes, yes. Loves it. Love it, love it, love it. Good job. Okay, let's go with the second one. Okay. Brielle, you got your hand up. Would you like to give this one a go?
Yes.
Okay.
The bee is buzzing below the blue bonnets.
Yes, and blue bonnets are, do you guys know what the blue bonnets are?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's
A Texas state flower.
flowers.
Yes, they are. They're a Texas state flower. Okay, now your job. Are you guys ready to get those thumbs up or down? What do you think? Thumbs up? Yes for alliteration. Thumbs down? No. Dream, yes. Brielle, yes. Good job. Adane, yes. Excellent. Okay, let's try the next one. All right. Who would like to try? Samara, would you like to try this one? Reading this sentence for me? Okay, let's go.
Little
Great job. You got this. Yes.
went to the store.
Excellent job. I love it. Little Johnny went to the store. Now, you guys, you know your job. Yes or no? Is it an alliteration? Great job. I love it. Dream. Donna, Brielle, Santiago, Doran. Yep. Good job. Great job, guys. Excellent work. So, you guys, let's see. Oh, Doran, would you like to read the next sentence for me?
Elephant. Every elephant enjoys eating eggs every day.
Excellent. Love it. Okay, what do you guys think? Yes to an alliteration or no? Great job. Excellent, excellent work. You guys are getting this. I don't know, guys. Maybe you made my lesson a little too easy for you guys, or you guys are just super smart. Okay, so we have a little brain break, and at this time, I'm gonna play a song, and every time you hear the same sound in the sentence, I want you to clap along to it. So if you hear the S, clap along every time you hear the S. Okay? See if we can get this going for you guys.
Jack Cartman, Kids Music Channel.
Let's all learn about alliteration. Alliteration is cool. Alliteration is really fun to do. The beginning sound of the words are the same. It's several words together that you read, write, or say. Here's some alliteration words for you. Come on, let's sing and move. Allie the alligator chomps apples.
Allie, the alligator chomps apples.
Ricky the raccoon rides roller coasters.
Ricky the raccoon rides roller coasters.
Billy the bunny bounced by the bushes.
Billy the bunny bounced by the bushes.
Keisha kangaroo cuddles koalas.
Keisha kangaroo cuddles koalas.
Alliteration is cool. Alliteration is really fun to do. The beginning sound of the words are the same. It's several words together that you read, write, or say. Dee Dee the dog dances disco.
Dee Dee the dog dances disco.
Ruby the reindeer runs by the river.
Ruby the reindeer runs by the river.
Desi the dolphin dives down deep.
Desi the dolphin dives down deep.
Sammy the snake slithered slowly.
Sammy the snake slithered slowly.
Alliteration is repeating the same sound at the beginning of words in a phrase or a sentence you read or use. Alliteration is cool. Alliteration is cool. Alliteration is really fun to do. The beginning sound of the words are the same. It's several words together that you read, write, or say.
Okay.
Be sure.
Excellent. Okay, so we're going to continue on with some more examples of alliteration. And in this case, you guys are going to identify the sound by choosing the correct letter you hear. Okay? So again, I'll start with the first one. Walking seagulls swoop on sunbathers. So I think, do you guys want to help me? What sound do you hear?
S.
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 S. So,
Okay. Correct. Yay. Okay. Now let's see. Who would like to help me read this one? I see Dream, you've got your hands up. Santiago, after Dream, you can go. Okay. Dream, would you like to try?
Yes.
Okay.
10. What? 10 tigers. 10 tigers. I can't read that.
It's okay, honey. That's great. That's fine. Would you like me to give you a help, or would what? 10 terrible tigers tour. Do you know what this would be?
I don't know how.
Tony's
Tony.
Teddies. Yeah, great job. Thank you for volunteering. Thank you for giving it a go. 10 terrible tigers tore Tony's teddy. Oh no, these tigers are really terrible. Would somebody like to help me? Or how about we open the chat and you guys let me know what sound you hear? Yeah? Okay. Very good. Hassan, yes. Adane, Brielle, yes, yes. Ooh, yes, good job. Okay. It's the T sound. All right, next one. Let's see. Who would like to help me with this one? Okay. Brielle?
Yes. Sam sees 6 slimy, smooth, slithering snakes.
Excellent. 6. Sam sees 6 slimy, smooth, slithering snakes. Ooh, that's even difficult for me to do. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Anybody? How about you open up the chat and you guys let me know what sound you hear.
I hear S.
S. Okay, great. Let's see if we've got it. Did everyone get this one? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, great. Okay. Ooh, we got to go a little quickly. I had a blue kid ready for you guys. Okay. How about I read the next one and you guys, we can open up our audio and you let me know what you hear. Zany zebras zigzag through the zoo. Zany zebras zigzag through the zoo. What do you hear?
T.
What do you hear?
I mean Z.
Z. Got it.
Z.
Got it. Great job. Carrie cuddled the cute, curious cat. Carrie cuddled the cute, curious cat.
C.
I have 2 curious cats.
C.
They're not common, but I do have 2 curious cats.
7 snapping sharks swim in the sea. 7 snapping sharks swim in the sea.
S.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Quick question. Can you guys in the chat box create your own alliterative phrase? Can you think of a sentence or a phrase? Remember, it has the same beginning sound. So if you need help, I have a couple sentence starters on the slide. So the first one's crazy cows are. The second one's funny frogs like to. And the third one, excited eagles can. So you guys in the chat box, if you can create your own, and you don't have to use my example, you can create your own. You can use your name as the start of your alliteration. Like my first name is Shelly, or I can say Miss Pat plays, right? It can be more than 3 words. It can be less than 3 words, but it needs to have the same beginning sound, okay? Do you guys think you can give it a try? If you don't want to write it out, I can also open up your audio so you guys can tell me what sentence you've created. Yeah? Anybody? Doran, do you want to give it a go? Ooh, Miss Crosby has Heidi helps hippos hiccup. What do you guys think? Anyone? Let's see.
Good one.
I will. I can do it.
Okay.
Heli helps helicopters. Huh? It's hard.
It's a little bit difficult. Yes. But I believe in you guys. I think you guys can do it. Zariah, do you want to try?
No.
No? Okay. Anybody else? Santiago, do you want to give it a go? Luke? Yeah? Do you want to try?
Thank you.
Okay, that's fine. That's okay. We can think, how about this? We can think on it.
I can't
And the
think of
next class we have, maybe you guys can share it with me. Yeah? Okay, guys, I'm going to stop sharing for a second. And I'm going to.
Miss Pat, their class is over at 10:15. Do you want to do this at the very beginning of science this afternoon? Because we don't have a whole lot this afternoon. What do you think?
Sure. Do the
I think that might give them a little bit more time.
Okay, that's fine. All right, guys, how about you work on your own alliterative phrase and we can try. You can share it at the start of science later today. Sounds good?
And if you guys were here this morning, make sure you come to science so Miss Pat will know, because she's trying to use this booklet to see if you guys understood the alliteration lesson she taught. So make sure you guys come this afternoon, okay? All right.
guys,
look, Dream's got one, Miss Pat. Did you see that?
Yes, great. I love it. Good job.
Awesome.
Thank you, guys. You've been awesome. I really enjoyed teaching you today.
Thank you so much, Miss Pat. You guys, Miss Pat, that was amazing. This was her first was this your first remote lesson you taught? I guess you taught last time you watched, but yeah, this is the first full remote lesson that she's taught all of us. And so you guys, let's give Miss Pat a reaction. That was awesome. And then maybe Miss Pat, we can just meet after the afternoon lesson today and debrief and all that. That would be great. Awesome. Thank you guys. Yeah, alliterations are fun. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Think about it.
Bye, guys.
Lovely Luke likes lollipops. See? All right, guys. I will see you at small groups today. All right. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon and make sure you come this afternoon. See you later, Gators. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.